Here to tell us is the Queen of Hacks, Anita Burgess. Good morning to you.
Good morning. I'm so excited for Friday fun.
Friday hacks.
Day.
Well, let's start with the eggs. How are you separating the whites from the yolks?
Okay, so you're going to grab yourself an empty plastic bottle, and I want you guys to do this with me
Oh,
once you know how to go,
yeah,
okay?
okay, we're ready.
Put down your piece of paper and stuff.
Yep.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to push out the air a little bit. Watch me how I do it first.
Okay.
And then you put it over the yolk, right?
Yep.
Up. Oh, we got it
That's
yolk.
amazing.
And then look, then you put it back into the other bowl. Yeah, go. Come on. Suck it up, Nat.
Oh.
You got it. Hey!
Oh, suck yours up.
He didn't release. Oh my God, I can't believe Dave.
Hold on.
This is the easiest
No,
hack in
give
the
me
world.
let me try this one. Hold on.
Okay, go. Suck it up. Don't put, yeah. He was, he released. He released it.
Why?
So if you pull it up and then do it.
Why can't you do that?
We
What
can
is
have
going on?
a whole
That's a double
lesson.
yolker. That was
Anyway, so thanks
that
for
was a
ruining
trick
our
egg.
omelette, our egg white omelette this morning.
Okay, well, it's meant to look like that anyway.
So all you do is you just have to squeeze your bottle, it sucks it up, spit it out. Also, another trick with eggs that my mum actually taught me is whenever you go to buy your eggs.
Sorry, yes.
Go on.
We have to get through this segment.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. With the eggs, when you're going to go buy eggs, when you open the carton, do you guys do this? Like where you touch
To check?
To check.
Yes.
So move every single egg.
Yes.
If it feels like it's stuck.
How do you know? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if it feels like it's stuck to the bottom, got egg all over. Okay,
Yes, put that back.
Put that back because
Yes.
that means it's stuck at the bottom and it's going to crack when you lift it out. Let's de-stem some herbs, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's
Yeah,
move
why
on.
don't you go?
I wasn't good at the egg.
I trust
Maybe I'm better
him.
at this
Yeah,
one.
okay. So we've got a bit of coriander.
Yum.
I'm going to give you a bit of coriander, okay? And we've got a bit, it works really well with the parsley and what's it called? And the continental, like this kind of parsley.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
And this continental parsley as well.
okay.
So all you have to do, I'm
So
going to
you
show
need cheese
you
grater.
first, okay? You grab your grater,
Yep.
you're going to pop the stem into the hole like this.
Oh, yeah.
Then you're going to reverse and you just pull it through like this and it all comes off. So you can just be chopping.
I want
you
to
to
see.
have
I feel
a
like
go.
there's a bit of
What do
pressure
you
this
want to
time,
feel? What
Anita.
do you want to try?
I'll try this one. Let me try that one.
None at all.
Okay.
Okay, so watch him.
So through there, guys, it's really simple. You just put it through there.
Mate. He needs like a one-on-one. Okay. Nat,
have another
Nat,
go.
So just
Another go.
No, have another go. Come on, it's not fair. It's not fair.
Hard, come on.
Stick it through the hole.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Turn it over.
Yes.
Pull it through. Pull it. Nice. No. You're pretty gentle. You just don't have. You've got it. You're quite harsh on the herbs, mate. You're harsh on your herbs. So when you do it, just be gentle. Here,
Okay, just gentle.
Let's try
Gentle,
again.
gentle.
Gentle. A gentle pull.
Gentle.
You made my heart. Thank you.
did.
So good. I know. Now let's grape over
next,
here.
go.
Let's get some grapes happening, okay? Because I'm going to show you how to de-stem and clean your grapes. All you're going to do is when you put the when you come home. Put a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt
What's that doing?
in some water. It's going to clean off all the
them.
nasties.
Oh, okay.
You'd be once you look. We could get really technical
we
here,
haven't
but
got
even
time.
if you
We haven't had time
can,
to
if
get
you even
technical.
look at the dirt in here now that I've lifted it up, that's come off the grapes.
That's
Okay? But how do we de-stem them? Let's make some room over here. Let's grab a chopping board.
Okay.
And what we're going to do is... Who's going to do this one with me? Nat, you're going to do this with me?
yeah, I'd love to.
Yeah,
What am I
please.
doing?
I think it's a better idea. Okay, so you're going to grab a chopping board, grab a tea towel, okay? Grab one of these. Oh, this is a good sized one for you. How big do you want to go?
Yeah, any,
This
'cause
one.
they're
Okay.
yelling at me
So
in
you
my
put
ear.
your grapes here.
Right
Then you're going to fold it over.
Oh, yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And give it a little bit more cuddles,
Yeah.
And now you're going to start rolling your grapes for backwards and forward. Can you feel what's happening?
Oh, I can feel it.
It feels like you're bruising
Then
the
look,
grapes.
and then no, because then what happens is they will de-stem. Look, see?
Oh, stop it.
Oh, wow.
And I think, and actually one of my best tricks
Look at
is
that.
pick out the ones then that you feel are a bit off. Because you know how they say one thing spoils the whole bunch? And then I just put it in an airtight container, easy, throw it in the kids' lunchbox, and you're done. How fun was that?
So much fun.
Very good.
Which one was your fave?
That one, then
Oh,
that one. Yeah.
And yours?
Well, the one I could do.
Yeah, the one you could do.
That was
Fantastic.
really good. Thank you.
How fun.
Thank you, Anita. Well.
Pleasure.